Augmented reality or AR has been promoted as the future of online furniture shopping, but is it really helping customers? During Baymard's large-scale testing, most users avoided using the View in Room tool. Of the few who did try it, 88% walked away with a neutral or negative impression, and almost everyone left feeling less sure about their mental picture of the product. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 2444 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Prioritize product images over view in room augmented reality features. Despite the potential of the view in room feature, during testing only 6% of users sought out and used it proactively. When they did consider or use it, users typically ran into 6 common issues. During testing, 87% of users who came across the view in room feature chose not to use it, mainly due to past negative experiences. Some found it hard to use before and weren't interested in giving it another try. Another challenge users face with view in room is wondering if they even have enough physical space for it to work. Some might be in rooms too small for AR to function well, even though the item they're considering would actually fit. After getting past the mental and physical hurdles of AR, users then face the actual challenge of using it. In this example, the user tried to follow the instructions, but got confused when nothing she did seemed to move things forward. She eventually placed the table in her room, but ended up feeling frustrated with the whole AR experience. Even when users manage to figure out the tool's basic functions, they may still struggle with precision. Some test users accidentally resized the 3D model, leading them to wrong conclusions about the product's size or fit. Others resized it on purpose but then forgot, evaluating the product based on the incorrect size. Users can also be put off when 3D models look noticeably different in color or texture from the product images. When this happens, most users have to resolve this difference to feel confident in the product again, often spending extra time researching. Lastly, users in testing often said they preferred other ways to get the visual information they needed. Many found regular product images more helpful than AR features, like this Android user at Joybird. In our furniture study, 79% of users went straight to the product images when landing on a product page, highlighting that product images are still the gold standard for furniture shoppers to get a clear visual understanding of a product. When offering AR, ensure users can easily access it. Most look for view in room near the image gallery alongside rich visuals like videos. Pairing the AR icon with view in room text improves recognition, especially for newer AR users who may find the icon alone unclear. In testing, desktop users were often surprised to see view in room buttons, since it's usually a mobile-only feature. Still, they all recognized it for what it was, even out of its usual context. When they clicked and saw a QR code, they instantly understood and appreciated the shortcut to the AR experience on mobile, though almost none chose to use it. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your product videos and 360 views, including over 120 furniture and home decor product page guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.